Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship on eBay from Temu. Now, we're going to be showing you step by step on how you can do dropshipping from Temu to eBay. Now, as you already know, like the advantage of using Temu compared to other e-commerce websites is cheap prices, because I know guys, I've been using AliExpress for like 5 years. So I know guys, you cannot find these prices on AliExpress, like for most products at least. Like there are some products where like the price is very competitive, like they have like the exact same price, but for most products on Temu, they are much cheaper like than AliExpress. Okay, that does not mean like AliExpress is not good or Temu is better than AliExpress to dropship on eBay. I've been like dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay for a very long time, and yeah, I'm doing some good numbers. I'm gonna be showing you that in a few seconds. Now, as you can see, guys, here on Temu, like you will find like a lot of products to dropship on eBay. So now, first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna go to your eBay. That's if you haven't done this already. You will have to add like your Pioneer account or your bank account to your eBay so that you can receive your payments. Okay, so that's very important. But I know, guys, you already did this because you are watching specifically about, like, you are watching this video specifically about how you can dropship from Temu to eBay. So you are not searching for how dropshipping works or anything. I believe you already know that. If you don't know what is dropshipping, it's very simple business. Okay, like a dropshipping is a very like good business for people who don't have like money to spend on ads, if that makes sense. Okay, so dropshipping, you already know it. So as you can see, you go to, like, for example, AliExpress or eBay. Like you find a product, for example, on AliExpress, you list that product on eBay. If someone buys that product from you on eBay, then you go to AliExpress, and instead of putting your address there, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress sends the product directly to the customer, and you take the profit. Like you increase the price, of course, in the listing. If the price on AliExpress is $20, you are going to sell it for $30. Okay, so that's just an example. Of course, I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can calculate how to calculate your profit. Okay, so how to know how much you are going to make. Okay, and also the eBay fees and stuff like that. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can dropship from Temu to eBay. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is to find winning products. Now, how you can find winning product, keep in mind, this is like the most important part to do, like dropshipping from Temu to eBay. If you miss this, I'm sure 100% you will not get any sales on eBay. Okay, so you will have to focus on this part. Okay, to find winning products, what you guys need to do is you want to search, for example, for products you want to dropship on eBay. So for example, I'm going to search, for example, just an example, for makeup. Okay, now as you can see, after you search for makeup, you will find a lot of products here. Now, for new sellers or new dropshippers who have no experience, they find a product here on Temu with many sales in it, and they think, okay, this is a good product, it's going to get sales on eBay. And that's a very huge mistake, because that's not how business works. Okay, so if this product, for example, has 600 sales, or like 600 sold, as you can see here, that does not mean this product is going to be successful on eBay. Like, people that search here on Temu are completely different from people that search on eBay. So you will have to know what people are interested in on eBay. You will have to know what people want to buy on eBay, if that makes sense. Okay, so how you can do this? Very simple. You just need to find a random product on Temu. Okay, this is really the only part that takes you some time, and if you do this multiple times, it's not going to take you time anymore. Like, you just need to find your competitors on eBay. You want to find people that are doing dropshipping from Temu. If you can find just 5 successful stores on eBay that are doing dropshipping from Temu, you can just copy any product they list, because they are dropshipping from Temu and they have experience. Okay, like I said, successful stores. I'm going to show you how you can find that. Now, as you can see, when I go, for example, to Temu and find the product, okay, find any product, doesn't matter. I'm going to search here, for example, for this product. Okay, this drone. Okay, so I'm going to copy this title from Temu and I'm going to go to eBay. Okay, so I'm going to search for this exact product. I'm going to try to find it on eBay. Now why I'm doing this is because I want to find competitors. I want to find people that are doing dropshipping from Temu. Okay, so that's exactly why that's exactly why I search for these products that I find on Temu. I search for them on eBay because I want to find if people are selling these products or not. Okay, so I'm going to search for that right now. Now I'm going to find, like, by the way, if you find here a listing and this the country it says here from United States, just ignore these listings because these people are not doing dropshipping from Temu. As you know, Temu is a Chinese website, so you can only like compete with people that are dropshipping from Temu. Okay, so only people that are from China. Okay, as you can see, it says here from China. Okay, the item location is China. That means this guy is either dropshipping from Temu or he has like his own items or his products in at home, or a company they are selling products on eBay. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can know if this guy, for example, is dropshipping from Temu or not. Now how you can know that, you just need to click on the listing, and as you can see, the item location on this drone is China. Okay, but let's see the location of the whole store. I'm going to click on the store and I'm going to click on about. Okay, the location of the store is also China, so this guy is not dropshipping. Okay, we cannot compete with this guy because he is not dropshipping. Okay, like people that dropship, the store location is going to be different from the item location. Like for example, you will find the store location United States, but the item location is China. So this guy is like from another country and he's dropshipping from China. That means he is getting products from Temu or AliExpress. Okay, so that's what we want. That's what that's exactly the people that we want to find, if that makes sense, on eBay. We want to find people that are doing dropshipping. Okay, so I'm going to check this one and I'm going to see here the item location is China. I'm going to check his location, like the location of the seller. Okay, so it seems like it's going, yeah, this guy is dropshipper. This guy is a dropshipper. Lithuania, I hope I pronounced this correctly. If someone lives in this country, let me know how to pronounce it. Anyway, the location of the store is Lithuania, and the location of the item is China. This means he is dropshipping. Okay, so what we are going to do in this case, simple. We need to find what this guy is selling on his store. Click on the store. Okay, this guy has sold over 700 items. That means he is doing some good numbers. Okay, so it's not really some crazy number, but you know, at least he is selling, he's getting sales. Now what you guys need to do in this case, you want to scroll down and click on see all. By the way, this is going to take you some time to find people that are doing dropshipping from Temu or AliExpress. This is what it's like, what I call product research. Okay, so as you can see, I hope you guys, if you are still watching this video, to drop a like on this video. Okay, so after you are on this page, you want to click here on sold items. Now the reason why you need to click on sold items, you want eBay to show you only items that has some sales. Okay, so that's what we want. Now you want to click on the first product, for example, and this product has 2 sales. Okay, 2 sales. I always go with 3 sales, more than 3 sales, but like I can list it. Like if the product has only 1 sale, I am not going to list it. So what you guys need to do in this case, you want to find this exact product, you want to find it on Temu. Okay, so how you can do this, you copy the title of eBay seller and go to Temu and search if you can find this product. Now if you can find it, that's good. If you cannot find it, then you just need to do that, to go back to his store and see what he is selling also. Okay, so probably we are going to find this on AliExpress. I'm going to search for it on AliExpress to see. I'm going to see if this product is on AliExpress. Yes, the product is on AliExpress, as you can see. I'm going to, it takes some, I don't know why this is taking so long, but I'm going to reload the page. As you can see, guys, this product is from, as you can see, is from AliExpress. Okay, this guy is dropshipping from AliExpress. As you can see, this is the exact same product, as you can see here. I'm going to open, okay, this is it. Okay, this guy is dropshipping from AliExpress. So I know this is not going to matter to you, but you just need to keep searching. Okay, you want to find another product and search for it on Temu and see if you can find it there. Okay, so you can also do dropshipping from AliExpress. Of course, I have been doing like AliExpress to eBay dropshipping for a very long time. It's very profitable. Yeah, here you want to click again on sold items and you want to find another product. For example, this product, it has 4 sales, which is really good. Also, I believe this guy is dropshipping from AliExpress, but it doesn't matter because we can still find this exact product from Temu and import it from Temu. We can do that. Okay, it's the same. Like you can, if you can find it from AliExpress, that's good. If you can find it from Temu, that's good. Okay, it's the same. I'm going to search for this exact product. Okay, so it seems like we cannot find this product from Temu because this guy mostly he is dropshipping from AliExpress. Okay, so that's exactly what this guy is doing here. I believe he's dropshipping from AliExpress. So what we need to do is to like find dropshippers that are doing dropshipping from Temu. I'm going to search for this on AliExpress to see if we can find it. Okay, so probably we are going to find it from this guy is probably like 90% is doing dropshipping. As you can see, he's doing dropshipping from AliExpress. Okay, so that's exactly how, like, as you can see, this guy is doing dropshipping from AliExpress. As you can see, the exact same product. As you can see here, it's the same. Okay. Now you can either dropship this product from AliExpress or you can just keep searching from other products on his store to find if you can find them on Temu. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how this business works. Okay, it's as simple as this. This guy is not dropshipping from Temu, but if you can find this product, for example, the exact same product on Temu, then you can dropship it. Okay, without any problem. You can just go to Temu, find the product, click on it. After you click on it, you want to download the images from Temu so that you can like add them to your eBay store. And that's it. Okay, I already told you guys to download the extension that will help you like download these images. So that's it, guys. Okay, that's exactly how you can as you can see, you can also find here you can find like the description of the item here, of course. But after you find the product on Temu, keep in mind that you will have to copy the eBay seller title because this title is proven to work and people are searching for this title. That's of course if the sales are over 3 or 2. Okay, if the sales in the listing is more than 2 products, like if this guy has sold more than 2 products, that means I'm going to copy the title of eBay seller because these keywords, people are searching for these keywords on eBay. Okay, if that makes sense. Now I already made another video about how you can dropship from Temu to eBay. Okay, so before you click on it, you can see it in the screen right now. Before you click on it, make sure to drop a like and watch that video, but because that's like a part 2 of this video. Okay, it will show you more like secrets about how you can dropship from Temu to eBay. Click on it right now and it will show you guys exactly how you can dropship from Temu to eBay.